He freezes, eyes wide, and mutters, "Uh-oh." Suddenly, Sophie walks in and gasps, "It's glitter weather!" Ryan tries to blow it away, but the glitter has other plans. It sticks to his hair, transforming him into a disco porcupine. Sophie bursts into giggles. Ryan sneezes again. ATCHOO! The glitter lands on a teddy bear, giving it the most ridiculous sparkle eyebrows. Sophie points and laughs. He looks surprised forever. Ryan quickly grabs a cloth, declaring, "Okay, emergency plan." Sophie salutes and shouts, "Cleaning team!" Together, they use a damp paper towel, gently picking up the glitter. Ryan tightly closes the jar, a sigh of relief escaping his lips. He wipes his nose and smiles. Next time, lid first, sneeze later. Sophie nods seriously. Science fact, glitter never leaves. They both erupt in laughter, knowing this